Good morning, this is Maruti Ram Singh, Vedic Maths Resource Person from Vijayawada. Today I am coming with a different technique in divisions, simple and easy technique in divisions. Yes, this method is called Dvajank method of divisions. This is also called flag number method of divisions. In this method, just we have to multiply a simple technique. That is, every time next part minus flag number into quotient. Flag number is also called Dvajank. Every time multiply quotient with flag number and subtract from next part. This is the formula we have to remember. Now let us see example. First example, 756 divided by 31. Now let us see how to do. 756, write like this. Now we are dividing by 31. Write like this. 3 is base number, 1 as flag number. 756 divided by 31. In 31, 3 is the base number, 1 is the flag number. Just you can remember this with the help of this diagram. 3 is the base, 1 is flag. Now, how many digits are there in flag number? There is only one digit. So take from right side one digit. This is remainder box. This is quotient box. Now, how to do division? Let us see. Bring down 7 onto the baseline. Now, 5 will be the next part. When we are dividing this part, this will be the next part. So, this is base number, this is flag number, this is quotient, this is remainder box, this is dividend. So, bring down 7 to baseline. 7 divided by 3, 2 times, 2 3 is 6. Now, 1 is the remainder. Keep 1 just above the line because our number is not 7156. It is just 756. So, keep 1 just above this. So, divide 7 by 3. 2 3 is 6. 1 is the remainder. Keep 1 near 5. Next part. Now, follow this rule. Every time multiply quotient with flag number and subtract from next part. What is the quotient here? 2 is the quotient here. What is the flag number? 1 is the flag number. So multiply quotient with flag number and subtract from next part. 2 into 1, 2. 15 minus 2, 13. Bring down 13 to baseline. Again division starts. 13 divided by 3. 4 3 is 12. What is the remainder? 1 is the remainder. Just keep 1 here. Keep 1 here. That will be 16. Again we got quotient. Already I told you, every time quotient is multiplied with flag number and subtracted from next part. Here we have quotient 4, flag number is 1. Multiply quotient with flag number 4 into 1. 4. Subtract from next part. 16 minus 4. 12 is the remainder. 24 is the quotient. So this is called Dwajank method of divisions or flag number method of divisions. Let us see one more example. Eight 82 divided by 42. Now write 882 like this. Divided by 42. 4 is the base number. 2 is the flag number. This is remainder part. This is quotient part. Now bring down 8. 8 divided by 4 2 times. Remainder is 0. We got quotient. As per our formula, multiply quotient with flag number and subtract from next part. When we are dividing 8, this will be our next part. Now 2 into 2, 4. Subtract from next part. 8 minus 4, 4. Again we got a number on base number. Divide 4 by 4 one time. Remainder is 0. Keep remainder here. Again we got quotient. Again we have to multiply with Dwajank or flag number and subtract from next part. 1 into 2, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 882 divided by 42. Quotient is 21. Remainder is 0. Next example. 1512 divided by 72. Now 1512 divided by 72. 7 is the base number. 2 is the flag number. Just to draw a line here. This is remainder box. This is quotient box. Bring down 1. 1 cannot be divided by 7. So bring down 5 also. This will be next part and this will be next part. 15 divided by 7. 2 7 are 14. What is the remainder? 1 is the remainder. Just keep 1 here. This is 11. And as per our formula, multiply quotient with flag number and subtract from next part. 2 into 2, 4. 11 minus 4 is 7. Again we got a number on base number. Again division starts. 7 divided by 7 one time. What is the remainder? Remainder is 0. Again we got quotient. Again multiply with flag number and subtract from next part. 1 into 2, 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1512 divided by 72. Quotient is 21. Remainder is 0. Let us go to next example. 687 divided by 32. Write like this. 687 divided by 32. 3 is the base number. 2 is flag number or Dwajank. This is remainder part. This is quotient. bring down 6. This will be next part. 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 3, 2 times. 2 3 is 6. What is the remainder? 0 is the remainder. Keep 0 here. Remember our formula. Whenever we get quotient, just multiply with the flag number and subtract from next part. 2 2s are 4. Subtract from next part. 8 minus 4 is 3. Again division starts. 3 divided by 3. 1 time. What is the remainder? 0 is the remainder. I am sorry. Here we will get 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. When 4 is divided by 3, 1 will be the remainder. 1 into 2, 2. 17 minus 2, 15 is the remainder. One, 3, 4, 4 divided by 42. Now 1, 3, 4, 4. 4 is the base number, 2 is the flag number. Now this is quotient box, this is remainder box. Now bring down 1, but we cannot divide 1 by 4, so bring down 3 also. This will be the next part. 13 divided by 4, 3 times. What is the remainder? 3 4s are 12. 1 is the remainder. And remember our formula. We got quotient and we have flag number. Multiply quotient with flag number and subtract from next part. 3 2s are 6. 14 minus 6 is 8. Now 8 divided by 4, 2 times. What is the remainder? 0 is the remainder. We have quotient and flag number. Multiply quotient with flag number and subtract from next part. 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 4, 0 is the remainder. So 1344 divided by 42. Quotient is 32. Remainder is 0. Let us see one more example. One 3 2 3 divided by 63. 1 3 2 3 divided by 63. This is remainder part. This is quotient part. Now bring down 1, but we cannot divide 1 by 6. So bring down 3 also. 13 divided by 6. These are next parts. 13 divided by 6, 2 times. 2 6 are 12. Remainder is 1. Just keep 1 here. We got quotient. We have flag number. Multiply quotient with flag number and subtract from next part. 2 into 3, 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. Again we have to divide 6 by 6. 1 time. Quotient is, remainder is 0. Quotient is 1. Again we have quotient, we have flag number. Multiply quotient with flag number and subtract from next part 3. 1 into 3, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. 21 is the quotient, 0 is the remainder. Next example. 10272 divided by 32. Let us write like this. 10272 divided by 32. 3 is the base number, 2 is the flag number. This is the remainder part, this is quotient part. Bring down 1. 1 divided by 3 is not possible. Bring down 0 also. Now these will be next parts. 10 divided by 3, 3. 3s are 9. 1 is the remainder. Now, as per our formula, multiply quotient with flag number and subtract from next part. 3 into 2, 6. 12 minus 6, 6. Again, we got number on base number. 6 divided by 3, 2 3s are 6. 0 is the remainder. Keep 0 here. Again, we got quotient. Multiply with flag number and subtract from next part. 2 into 2, 4. 7 minus 4, 3. Again, we got number on baseline. 3 divided by 3, 1 time. 0 is the remainder. Write 0 here. Again, we got quotient. Multiply with flag number and subtract from next part. 1 into 2, 2. 2 minus 2, 0 is the remainder. Next example. 51828 divided by 42. Let us write like this. 51828 divided by 42. 4 is the base number, 2 is the flag number. Remainder part, this is quotient part. Bring down 5. 5 divided by 4, 1 time. What is the remainder? 1. These are next parts. Now, we got a quotient. We have flag number. Multiply quotient with flag number and subtract from next part. 1 into 2, 2. 11 minus 2, 9. Again, we got number on base number. When you get number on base number, divide with 4. 9 divided by 4, 2 times. What is the remainder? 1 is the remainder. Again, we got quotient. We have flag number. Multiply quotient with flag number and subtract from next part. 2 2s are 4. 18 minus 4 is 14. Again, we got number on baseline. Divide with base number. 14 divided by 4. 3 4s are 12. What is the remainder? 2 is the remainder. Again, we got quotient. We have flag number. Multiply quotient with flag number and subtract from next part. 3 into 2, 6. 22 minus 6, 16. Again, we got number on baseline. Divide with 4. 16 by 4. 4 times. 0 is the remainder. Again, we got quotient. Multiply with flag number and subtract from next part. 4 into 2, 8. 8 minus 8, 0 is the remainder.